I'm going to try to keep it at a high level, try to keep it to topics that would be related to either at a senior management level or at a board level. So we'll keep it at the 30,000 foot level. Goal is to talk through return on investment, return on assets, how to do that, how to make sure that you're bringing technologies in that not just has a cool factor. I'm not into cool technology. I'm into technology that can actually help improve business profitability and member experience. So we'll talk a lot about that. We'll talk about 5 technologies specifically on that are fairly new or fairly innovative that we'll find out if your credit union's using them, and if not, I'll give you some suggestions on how to get there. Just like with Harry and Rob's presentation, it'd be great to be interactive, so feel free to ask questions and share details as I go through. So let's go. All right, so I know the goal. The other thing I'll point out is mobile banking. That's also very high on the list of what credit unions are looking to add. Rob touched on it yesterday, talked a little bit about mobile banking. I'm going to get into a little bit more details on that. That's something that credit unions seem to be looking at throughout 2013. Okay, I mentioned return on investment. I mentioned the fact that I'm not a fan, although I consider myself a technologist, I'm not a fan of technologies just because they're cool and new. I didn't run out and get it. I still don't have an iPad for my business. I just never could justify why I needed it for my business. I always had a laptop. I've got a smartphone that has all the tools that I need when I'm not in the office. So I'm one not for cool. So, and basically Kuna said the same thing, is that when you're looking at technology, make sure you're buying with return on investment in mind. And return on investment could mean one of 2 things. Return on investment could mean positive profits or savings in terms of monetary gains or preventing monetary losses. That's a typical return on investment, but also could be improved member experience. So it's possible that there isn't a direct correlation to a dollar improvement for the credit union as opposed to member satisfaction, which in the long run will help the bottom line of the credit union because they'll stay longer and hopefully use more services. But the key is buy with ROI. They've got some spreadsheets on their website. It's in your book. You want to take a look or have the IT teams at your credit unions take a look at the spreadsheet. It kind of helps you calculate return on investment. That's in the book. Okay, this one is even a less used term in the cloud. Big data. Now, definition, I'll read it again. This is the best definition I've seen of it. It's data that exceeds the processing capacity of conventional database systems. It's data that's too big, moves too fast, or doesn't fit in structures of your database architecture. To gain value from your data, you must choose an alternate way to process it. So there are companies that invented some what they call big data technologies. IBM is probably at the forefront of this. And there's kind of 3 pieces to big data. Basically the volume of data. You were getting a lot of data through the credit union, whether you're getting it through calls into your customer service center, whether you're getting emails into your service center, whether you're getting comments on LinkedIn or Facebook or Twitter, whether you're getting information again at the branch directly that's being typed into your core banking systems. All that data is going into different environments. So trying to harness all that data is extremely difficult. So there's a volume of data. Velocity, it's coming in so fast. People are sending you data constantly, whether it's through Facebook, LinkedIn, emails, blogs. Your credit union is being talked about on the internet and being sent information constantly. It's coming in ferociously very fast. And it's coming in a variety of places. It's coming in, again, as I mentioned, social media, directly on your systems at the credit union, through email. So they're all in different formats, so it's very difficult to harness all that data.